Welcome to Kitty's Fun Place. Amazing birds and fun facts for kids. Parrots can copy human words and love to talk. Penguins can't fly, but they swim like fish and waddle on ice. Owls can turn their heads all the way around to look behind them. A peacock's tail spreads out like a big, beautiful rainbow fan. Eagles have super sharp eyes. They can see their food from far up in the sky. Flamingos are pink because they eat pink shrimp and algae. Ducks have waterproof feathers and webbed feet for swimming. Hummingbirds flap their wings really fast, up to 80 times a second. Robins are known for their red bellies and are often seen in spring. Toucans have huge, colorful beaks, but they're very light. Swans glide on water and make a heart shape when they put their heads together. Woodpeckers tap on trees to find bugs and make holes for their nests. These tiny birds are famous for their happy singing and bright yellow feathers. Pigeons are smart. They can find their way home from very far away. Macaws are brightly colored parrots that live in the rainforest and love to squawk. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and learning. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.